Moving on to the salted rim. Do I have to start from the beginning again?
We're rolling.
And I'm rolling. I'm rolling out a lime. So the most important part of a cocktail is balance. The balance of 5 elements. Water, whiskey, no, it's not those. The other 5 elements. Salt, umami, sweet, sour, and bitter. So let's break that down and make a margarita. So in a margarita, the tequila provides the roasted agave for those beautiful umami notes. We got the mouth-watering acidity of a freshly squeezed lime. We've got the delicate sweetness of agave, and of course, the salted rim to finish the cocktail. So in a word, cocktails need balance, like life.